So good morning, we've stopped off at a friend's workshop down in Thatcham. It's a beautiful sunny day. Me and Farah's going to drop Granny's car off here and get the train into London before we go to Goodwood tomorrow. But we've got some treats for you, because this is not just normal workshop, this is McLaren workshop. This is V Engineering. So my friend from 20 years ago, he was my area service manager for Ferrari. Left Ferrari about 10 years ago and started with McLaren, and is a P1 specialist. So I'll walk you around some of the beauties in here. And Beetle, his daughter's Beetle, he's putting twin cabs on the Beetle. It's Farah loves the Beetle.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
I hate cars.
She hates cars because they're drilled, isn't it? So, this is Paul. Say hello. That's my old mate Paul. So it's not just McLarens in here. We've got Ferraris up the back. I'll walk you around for Ferraris. Here's something very special. This is kind of level work Paul does. Starter motor on a Mura. GT cars. We've got P1s, 3 of them, bodies and P1s. Paul actually rebuilds gearboxes and P1s, and he works on the batteries as well for this hybrid systems. So as you can see, we've got 3 V12 Ferraris here. We've got the 550, we've got the Barchetta, very special, and the Super America, and we've got a Testarossa. This is what Paul used to work on. This is what me and Paul used to work on together when we were younger, when we were young men. But look at the Barchetta, unbelievable. He's rebuilding digital circuit boards in these just now, on 2 of them. And yeah, so any work you want done for your V-Fit 12 Ferrari, get it done here. But specifically, this is a McLaren workshop. He can get the carbon chassis tubs fixed, he can rebuild the gearboxes, and he's got all the special tools, diagnostics and suspension equipment. So this has got a carbon body MSO. Look at the badge on it, you can just see the carbon underneath the swirl, and the very, very thin, wafer thin badge. And the biggest issue in these is the batteries and the hybrid system one. What Paul can do, he can deliver a brand new battery which is lighter, better, and you can actually repair these batteries as well. The original ones you can't, you have to replace them. These are repairable. So you'll probably notice a tub of the rear end carbon with all signatures on it. This is from a P1 GTR, and this was the guy that had a carbon fibre for McLaren. We left. This was all the signatures from all the team. So yeah, that was his wee leaving gift from McLaren.